From Sooner Standards, Designing the Data, Support a Claim, a complete grades 11 to 12 Level 2 Computer Science Unit for Oklahoma Standard L2.DA.CVT.02. Students learn to design a plan to generate a data set that supports a claim by choosing an appropriate collection tool, defining a population and sample, reducing bias, and selecting an analysis technique to evaluate the evidence. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints, plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, tubisos, and vocabulary puzzles, family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Daltons as of no prep instruction across 43 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.